welcome back to another video on Automotive. If the world's best-selling compact SUV suddenly transformed into something that looked like it belonged at an international auto show. Today we're checking out this incredible custom Toyota RAV4 concept. And honestly, if this design ever made it into production, it would completely change how people think about family SUVs. At first glance, this doesn't even look like the RAV4 we've all come to know. The aggressive front fascia, oversized grille, futuristic LED headlights, muscular body kit, giant custom wheels, and premium two-tone paint make this SUV appear more like a luxury performance vehicle than an everyday crossover. But here's the big question. Is this simply a stunning custom show car, or does it actually improve everything that made the Toyota RAV4 one of the best-selling SUVs in the world? Today, we're going to explore every detail from the exterior styling and interior possibilities to performance, technology, practicality, safety, fuel economy, driving experience, and whether a design like this could represent the future of Toyota SUVs. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. The first thing everyone notices is the front end. This is where the transformation is most dramatic. Instead of the familiar RAV4 nose, we're greeted by an enormous layered grille that stretches almost the entire width of the vehicle. Large Toyota lettering replaces the traditional badge, creating a bold premium appearance inspired by modern trucks and luxury SUVs. The LED daytime running lights are incredibly slim and futuristic. Their sharp shape gives the SUV an aggressive stare that immediately grabs attention. Combined with the redesigned bumper and large air intakes, the front looks wider, lower, and significantly more athletic than the standard model. Moving around to the side, the wide fender flares completely change the proportions of the vehicle. They give the SUV a planted stance while accommodating enormous aftermarket wheels wrapped in ultra-low profile tires. Those wheels deserve special attention. Their turbine-inspired multi-spoke design looks expensive and futuristic, making the vehicle resemble a concept car rather than a production crossover. While these wheels certainly improve visual appeal, they would likely sacrifice some ride comfort due to the reduced tire sidewall. The two-tone paint is another standout feature. The deep metallic burgundy body contrasts beautifully with the black hood, roof, mirrors, and aggressive trim pieces. This combination creates a premium luxury appearance while maintaining a sporty personality. The carbon fiber-inspired accents around the bumper, wheel arches, and front fascia add another layer of visual sophistication. Whether they're real carbon fiber or simply textured trim, they contribute significantly to the overall premium aesthetic. Looking at the hood, we notice stronger sculpting lines that emphasize power and performance. These sharp creases catch the light beautifully and make the front end appear much more muscular than a factory RAV4. Although the image only shows the front and side, it's easy to imagine the rear continuing the aggressive theme with smoked LED, a redesigned bumper, integrated diffuser, roof spoiler, and perhaps quad exhaust outlets for a complete performance-inspired appearance. Inside, we can imagine a cabin matching the exterior's premium attitude. High-quality leather seats with contrast stitching, Alcantara inserts, carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and sports steering wheel would perfectly complement the dramatic exterior. Technology would likely include a massive digital instrument cluster, large touchscreen infotainment display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium JBL audio system, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, head-up display, and advanced voice controls. Comfort remains one of the RAV4's strongest advantages. Even with its sporty appearance, the SUV still offers generous passenger space, excellent rear legroom, comfortable seating, and versatile cargo capacity that makes it suitable for families, road trips, and daily commuting. Performance is another area where Toyota has consistently impressed buyers. Depending on the powertrain, a modern RAV4 offers smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and confident handling. If this concept featured Toyota's hybrid system, drivers could expect strong low-speed torque, quiet operation, reduced fuel costs, and exceptional long-term reliability. A plug-in hybrid version would take things even further by offering electric driving for short commutes while maintaining gasoline convenience for longer journeys. Toyota all-wheel drive system also deserves praise. It provides additional confidence during rain, snow, gravel roads, and light off-road adventures without sacrificing everyday comfort. Suspension tuning would likely prioritize a balance between sporty handling and daily usability. Although these oversized wheels may reduce ride comfort slightly, the overall chassis would still deliver stability and predictable cornering. Safety remains one of Toyota's biggest selling points. Modern driver assistance technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, surround view cameras, and traffic sign recognition. These features not only improve safety, but also reduce driver fatigue during long highway journeys. 1. Reason the RAV4 continues dominating. Global sales is its reputation for reliability. Toyota has built decades of consumer trust by producing vehicles known for low maintenance costs, excellent durability, and impressive resale values. Even after years of ownership, many Toyota SUVs continue delivering dependable performance, making them smart financial investments. Fuel economy also remains one of the biggest reasons buyers choose the RAV4 over larger SUV. Hybrid models especially provide outstanding efficiency without sacrificing practicality. Storage solutions throughout the cabin add to everyday convenience. Large door pockets, center console storage, cup holders, folding rear seats, underfloor cargo compartments, and flexible luggage space make daily life much easier. For families, child seat installation is straightforward, thanks to wide-opening rear doors and accessible anchor points. Road noise insulation has improved dramatically in recent generations, providing a quieter driving experience even at highway speeds. Another important factor is resale value. Toyota vehicles consistently rank among the strongest performers in retained value, making ownership less expensive over time. Now let's discuss customization potential. The vehicle shown here demonstrates just how far owners can personalize their RAV4. Wide-body kits, custom paint, forged wheels, premium lighting upgrades, lowered suspension, upgraded brakes, interior enhancements, and performance accessories allow enthusiasts to create something truly unique. This particular build successfully blends luxury SUV styling with aggressive sports car influences. However, it's important to note that extremely large wheels and lowered suspension may reduce practicality for rough roads, snow, or off-road driving. Still, if visual impact is your priority, few compact SUVs can compete with this level of presence. Imagine arriving at a car meet, shopping center, or luxury hotel. This RAV4 would undoubtedly attract attention from enthusiasts and casual observers alike. It challenges traditional expectations of what a practical family SUV should look like. Toyota has always balanced practicality with reliability, but builds like this prove that practicality doesn't have to be boring. With the growing popularity of custom SUVs worldwide, designs like this could inspire future factory styling trends. If Toyota introduced a performance-oriented RAV4 GR model featuring aggressive bodywork, upgraded suspension, more powerful hybrid technology, larger brakes, and premium interior materials, demand would likely be enormous. Until then, custom builds continue showing what's possible when creativity meets one of the world's most dependable SUVs. Overall, this incredible RAV4 combines bold styling, premium presence, advanced technology, practical versatility, impressive efficiency, dependable reliability, and limitless customization potential into one unforgettable package. Whether you're a longtime Toyota fan or simply appreciate creative automotive design, it's impossible not to admire the craftsmanship and attention to detail displayed throughout this build. Now it's your turn. Would you choose this stunning custom RAV4 over the standard factory model? Would you daily drive it, show it at car events, or keep it as a weekend cruiser? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, concept vehicles, custom builds, and future SUV showcases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. YouTube description. Discover this incredible custom Toyota RAV4 transformation featuring an aggressive wide-body kit, futuristic LED headlights, massive custom wheels, premium two-tone paint, and luxury-inspired styling. In this in-depth review, we explore the SUV's bold exterior design, interior features, performance potential, hybrid technology, safety systems, practicality, fuel efficiency, reliability, and customization possibilities. Whether you're a Toyota enthusiast, SUV fan, or automotive lover, this detailed review showcases why the Toyota RAV4 continues to dominate the compact SUV market while imagining what the ultimate custom version could look like. Watch until the end and let us know if you would drive this amazing RAV4. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.